Freebie of the week, ladies and gentlemen. Let's check out what I just got for free. This is freaking awesome. The lady that gave me the Teddy Ruxpin went over there to help remove some more crap. She gave me this. Check that out. Freaking sharp VHS recorder. I've taped recorders like this before on my show. RCA ones mostly. It's a slim cam. The big battery feels like it weighs like 3 to 5 pounds, not more. Eject, rewind, play. VHS recorder. I remember these things from back in the day. I never used one, but I played around with them. Got the instruction booklet. It's awesome. Tells you everything you need to know. Accessories. The instruction booklet, ladies and gentlemen. Japan. They're pretty smart there in Japan, ladies and gentlemen, making camcorders. What's this thing? Earplugs? That's for the friggin' stethoscope. For no friggin' camcorder. Church books. Looks like empty VHS tape cases. Couple batteries. Two battery packs. Friggin' battery charger. Bunch of crap in there. Let's see what's up in here. I like these old school VHS recorders. Check that out really quick while I'm opening this up today. We got some garbage bags even. Auxiliary cables. I have no clue what that is. Some kind of connector. Alright, we got the focus. 12 times full range autofocus. What the specs on this beast are. September 1994. We'll check out and see if I can find what it does really quick. Doubt it. Stupid instruction manuals. Yep, that's my new camcorder. Let's check the lens, see how that is. Perfect. I guarantee this thing works. I'm going to test this beast out, so watch for video with this thing. We'll shoot an old school video, ladies and gentlemen. Act like we're back in the day. I'm John the Picker. Tune in, I'm going to be getting more of these old cameras. Be shooting videos with them. We are out, ladies and gentlemen. Artificial intelligence system. Fancy.